One of the most popular means of paying online is cash on delivery. You can pay online or you can choose to pay cash when you receive the product. Now this cash on delivery is actually a love-hate relationship for a merchant. They love it because 60% of all the transactions are cash on delivery. They hate it because it costs about 8 to 10%. And that is almost 4 times higher than what they pay when processing via your credit card or debit card or net banking. And this 8 to 10% cost just kills the business. Now why is it 8 to 10%? What is it that drives the cost to 8 to 10%? The cost is returns. When a buyer orders the product but refuses to take the delivery, and this return, which is about 15 to 20% on average, contribute bulk of this cost. Now, the merchant, that's why, would ideally like to get rid of cash on delivery. But since the buyer wants it, they don't have a choice. Now, the question arises, why does the buyer choose cash on delivery? One of the premises we always thought was that India is a cash economy and buyer doesn't have any other means to pay. But what we have come to an interesting conclusion from the surveys we did, from the data we saw on how transactions are shifting from cash on delivery to card on delivery, we saw that about 35% of all COD customers can actually pay online. They don't pay online because of 2 primary reasons. The first one is trust. They actually want to see the product before giving out the money. 75% of people do COD because of this reason. Another 25% of people do COD because of convenience. It's just difficult to enter those 16-digit card numbers. They like it, they just have to select COD and it's done. That's the core problem. Now, we have a solution which can solve both these problems. And that solution is called Release on Delivery. It's been launched by PayUpesa. The way it works is like an escrow service. What happens is that the customer, when he selects COD, he's also given an option that he can do ROD or Release on Delivery. When he selects on Release on Delivery, he goes to a payment page where he can pay by a credit card, debit card or net banking. Once he has paid, that money actually does not go to the retailer or the merchant. It actually goes to PayUpesa. PayUpesa holds that money. The retailer then delivers the product or service to the buyer and then makes a request to PayUpesa, please release my money. We then go to the buyer and ask the buyer, is it okay to release the money? And the buyer at this point in time has 3 options. He can say yes. If he says yes, we release the money immediately. Second option is that the buyer does not respond because the buyer doesn't care. In that case, we send multiple reminders to the buyer for the next 3 days, and if there is no response for 3 days, we release the money to the seller. Third option is the buyer says, I have a problem, don't release the money. In that case, it enters dispute resolution. We give 7 days to the merchant and the buyer to resolve the dispute among themselves. If in case they are not able to resolve, then PayUpesa team intervenes and resolve the dispute in 12 working days. And by the end of 12 working days, the customer should ideally have the desired product or we'll refund back the money. And in this way, the entire experience and interest of the buyer as well as the seller is protected. Now, how is ROD better than COD? What are the advantages? The first advantage is control. In case of COD, you saw the product and you release the money immediately, minutes. In case of ROD or Release on Delivery, you have 3 days to make this decision. So you can evaluate the product over 3 days, and that gives you a lot of control. The second advantage is that you don't have to arrange cash and change anymore. The third advantage is refunds. In case of a refund, in case of cash, it takes about 2 to 4 weeks and takes a check or an EFT. Now it's instantaneously back into your credit card or your bank account in 2 working days. The fourth advantage is card store. So in PayUpesa, which is powering the Release on Delivery solution, you can also store your credit card data. And once you store your credit card data, you do a transaction again, you don't have to enter your credit card data again. You just have to enter your CVV and your password. So it's extremely convenient as well. So we solved both the original problems of why an online paying customer did COD. We solved the problem of trust, giving more control to the buyer, and we solved the problem of convenience. And this is the statistic that we are seeing. We went live on a merchant called DogSpot, which is the largest pet supplies retailer, and 7% of all their cash on delivery transactions without any promotion shifted to Release on Delivery. We expect that in the next 9 to 12 months, 20% of all COD transactions should move to Release on Delivery.
So what is your target now in terms of business?
So what we have went live with one merchant. We have a pipeline of 50 another merchants, the likes of Traders.com and Mobile Store. As PayU, we have 6,500 plus merchants. And approach all of them and get this payment option added, because every merchant doesn't like COD. And once it is present in about 100 or so merchants over the next 1 quarter, we'll start more aggressive marketing and education activities to educate the customer of why choose release on delivery over cash on delivery. We expect that about 20% of all COD transactions should move to release on delivery.
What are some of your strategies to convince the end user?
So what we are seeing is just by telling that this option exists, some users shifted. Right? Once we educate the customer more, and education is a lot of campaigns, a lot of activities, a lot of blogs, a lot of road shows, where we tell the customer again and again that this is how release and delivery will protect your interest. We expect a normal move. That's one way. Second way is just by showing it as a payment option against COD on the merchant website, because it's in the merchant better interest as well to get the user to move from COD to ROD. So those are our two primary strategies.
China is well known for the ROD system.
Yes.
Can you share some of the...
So if you look at Alipay, in terms of metrics, Alipay is comparable or bigger than PayPal in some ways. The core of its business is escrow, and 35% of all COD transactions shifted to this escrow payment Alipay when it came into being. So we expect that in the long run, similar trends should also be observed in India.